It's Accountech Bytes, bringing you the latest from the world of accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert. I am back from my travels and ready to deliver a bucket load of news to you. So let's get straight into it. Earlier this week, I was on the show floor in Manchester for Accountech North. Congratulations to Caroline and the team for an excellent event, when suddenly news broke that Xero had snapped up insights and analytics platform Sift in a deal that could be worth up to $70 million. So I quickly jumped out of the talk I was in, rushed to the cafe, and knocked up this article on it. If you'd like to find out more about this or anything else in the video, link in the description. What's next? Talked a little bit about the event in Manchester, the event I went to last week, Oracle NetSuite Suite World in Las Vegas, a bit of MTD chat, and a lot of AI in our latest podcast, No Accounting for Taste. So you can search for Accounting Web in your podcast player of choice or listen here. What's next? Oh, it's AI gong time. And IDEU's Kevin Phillips talks about why the new EU Artificial Intelligence Act should put AI on every business's agenda. And Jake Smith, as part of our ongoing special editorial report series on artificial intelligence in accounting, Jake looks at setting workable AI policies for your team. So you can check out the article there or download the special editorial report that's in association with Sage. Speaking of Sage, they have revealed 5 bold predictions for the future of accounting by 2030, including ethical AI leadership. Hopefully, finance professionals will be at the heart of that. Their CTO, Aaron Harris, comments there. I bumped into Aaron on the show floor in Manchester, actually. Intuit, so the QuickBooks and TurboTax maker, have unveiled a new enterprise suite of financial products. So this is in Reuters, obviously bringing themselves up the value chain from sort of small businesses to larger enterprises. Not a great deal about what those products actually will be, but weirdly, they included a price. They don't normally do that until the end. What's next? More integrations from Free Agent. Will they ever stop? So this time they've announced an integration with cloud payroll provider Buddy, and also with error detector and insights platform Expert. I've written about both of those recently, so you can check that out on the site. But for free agent partners, it's just increasing their range of options there. So up in Manchester, the night before, Accountech North with Digital Disruptor Awards. Congratulations to Indy, Ryan, and John for an excellent night. I couldn't find a list of all the award winners anywhere, but from memory, congratulations to Client Engager, Sockets, Go Proposal, Aaron Patrick, and everyone else who won an award. And speaking of awards, Silverfin won Best Use of AI in the Cloud at the Computing Cloud Excellence Awards. So congratulations there to Phil, who sent me that, and the rest of the Silverfin gang. New product time now, and fintech startup Adfin is launching its all-in-one invoice management and payment platform with the aim of simplifying the process of getting paid and reducing the admin surrounding the process. What's next? So My Work Papers, recently acquired by Bright, of course, are launching payroll content to its cloud platform. So they're bringing their working paper features to the payroll profession, providing a standardized set of content that's been designed for payroll professionals. What's next? This is an update from Translucent. So the sort of layer financial platform that sits across multiple instances of the likes of Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage for multi-entity. So they've rolled out an update to their consolidation app to add weekly reporting. What's next? Aquila. So this is a cloud platform for mid-market businesses. They've appointed a new chief product officer, and they've got an AI roadmap as well. So it's things like automating purchase invoice process, automated invoice capture and supplier allocation. Always good to see specifics. What's next? Profix. So they offer a range of FP&A, financial consolidation and reporting tools. They've now announced Profix One account reconciliation, so enabling finance teams to streamline the financial close. So CloudPay, the payroll and payment solution, have announced an integration with financial management platform Workday. And if you're watching this on LinkedIn, a quick update from UK tech policy legend Heather Burns. If you're in the UK, you've been automatically opted in to train their generative AI model. If you're not keen on that, Heather tells you what to do. One thing that you'll hopefully opt into is my accounting technology email every Thursday. If you don't already subscribe, pop your email address in the box and let the yellow button do the work. If you're watching on the socials, please like, subscribe or follow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.